Well, I'm Kenny Keller, the creator of Helicopter Online Ground School and author of the book Helicopter Check Ride. I had the privilege to go see one of my former students that started out with me over 10 years ago as a new kid right out of high school, and now he's a helicopter tree saw pilot. I spent 2 days watching him and his partner work the operation, the helicopter tree sawing, and it was absolutely amazing. These guys work awesome together as a team. They work a crazy schedule, 28 days on, 28 days off. They work really hard while they're away from their families, and then they get a break and get to go home for 28 days. This is an absolute amazing helicopter pilot job. I've been in and around helicopters for 20 years, and I was completely and entirely amazed by this operation. The tree saw hangs below the helicopter from an aluminum tube, and the tube basically just is a carry mount for the saw. The saw itself has a gas motor that drives the saws with a belt. The pilot operates the saw from inside the helicopter. He can start the unit, get the blades spinning and get them up to RPM, and he can also turn the saw in relation to the helicopter depending on how he's cutting. The skill to fly this helicopter and manage the saw and stay safe and clear of the power lines, keep track of everything going on the ground, make sure that you're not going to cause any damage to persons or property on the ground. It's just simply an amazing feat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a share, and leave your comments down below.